Welcome! In front of me I have REALME C21 and today I'll show you how fingerprint sensor works in the smartphone. You can find the sensor right here. So let's make a few tries and let's see how it performs. So it's very fast because I put finger on the sensor and it unlocks smartphone immediately, and it recognizes also our fingerprint every time. So just check it, take a look. So to be honest, I'm surprised because it's very cheap smartphone and the sensor works really amazing. And I can even say that it's faster than Asus Zenfone 7 Pro that I own. Yeah, so that's how the sensor works in REALME C21. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.